Why don't you ever play hide and seek with a GMC Sierra 3500 HD and a Ford F-350 Super Duty? Because good luck hiding when they're both trying to out-tow each other. And now, let us look at 11 critical differences between the two. Let's compare the differences between GMC Sierra 3500 HD versus Ford F-350 Super Duty. Difference 1. Starting with the engine, the Ford F-350 Super Duty often offers more powerful engine options. The 2021 model, for example, boasts a 7.3L V8 gas engine or a 6.7L Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine. The 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 HD, on the other hand, has a 6.6L V8 gas engine or a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel engine. Difference 2. In terms of payload capacity, GMC Sierra 3500 HD typically advances with a slightly better payload capacity than the Ford F-350 Super Duty. The difference might vary by model year, but usually the GMC model can handle a few £100 more. Difference 3. The interiors of the vehicles also differ. The Ford F-350 Super Duty tends to have a more luxurious interior. It features leather upholstery and more high-end trim options. On the other hand, GMC Sierra 3500 HD is designed with a focus on durability and functional interior rather than luxury. Difference 4. When examining towing capacity, the Ford F-350 Super Duty surpasses GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Ford's model typically has more robust towing capabilities due to its more powerful engine options. Difference 5. Transmission options also differ. The GMC Sierra 3500 HD comes with a standard 6-speed automatic transmission, while the Ford F-350 features a 10-speed automatic transmission that improves acceleration and efficiency. Difference 6. The fuel efficiency of the two vehicles is also different. The Ford F-350 Super Duty typically gets better gas mileage than the GMC Sierra 3500 HD. Difference 7. In terms of driver technology, Ford F-350 Super Duty has a slight edge. Ford's heavy-duty truck typically includes more advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping alert, and blind spot monitoring system. Difference 8. The styling for each truck is distinct. The GMC Sierra 3500 HD often exudes a bold ruggedness with its design, while the Ford F-350 Super Duty has a more sleek and elegant appearance. Difference 9. Ford's Super Duty is a bit more customizable than the GMC Sierra 3500 HD, with more options for bed lengths, cab styles, and engine choices. Difference 10. The base price of the two models varies. Ford F-350 Super Duty is usually priced higher than the GMC Sierra 3500 HD. However, the cost can be comparable when adding optional features and trims. Difference 11. Lastly, warranty coverage is a significant difference as well. The GMC Sierra 3500 HD typically offers a better warranty plan, including a 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, relative to Ford F-350 Super Duty's 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty.